let me show you how we can fade away an image in Affinity. So here I am, I just loaded this picture. So I got only one layer. Select that one layer and add a mask to it. You will see there's extra square next to the layer image. Be sure the square is selected, not the image, but this mask. In mask, white color means visible, black color means invisible. So what we want to do here is a gradient. So grab a gradient tool from the tool panel. And now we need a simple black and white gradient. Everything white is 100% visible. Everything black is 100% invisible. Everything in between gives us this fading away effect. So we can fade to transparency, to this checkerboard, or we can create a brand new layer under. And add some kind of color below the image. All right, let's try once more. I'm using the very same mask gradient tool, and keep in mind this is non-destructive way, so the original image is still preserved. We don't need to stick only with one type of gradient. We can change this to, let's say, radial gradient, and this way you can have the image, the white color in the middle, and then all around you will have the black color, so all around it's fading away. If you want to transport this to a different software, it's recommended to save it as PNG, because PNG will maintain the transparency. All right, just be sure the colors you're using are black and white, and then you can experiment with different types of gradients. You can even reverse them, just like that. And keep in mind, black things are 100% invisible and white things are 100% visible. This way you can easily fade away your image into transparency or into certain color if you add a layer with that color below, like we just did. Here it is. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.